morning, students. Hope you understand exercise 3.3. Now let us do exercise 3.4. What is exercise 3.4? Estimating a difference by rounding off. This is the topic in exercise 3.4 question 1. So for that we have two steps to follow. First step is round off each number that will be subtracted. Second is subtract the rounded off numbers. So we will keep in mind both the points while doing our questions. First point, again I am repeating, round off each number that will be subtracted, as we have done in chapter 2. Round off the numbers to the and add estimated value and actual value. That we will do here also, but here the operation is subtraction. But same thing we will do here. So you will keep in mind both the points, both the steps, and then you will solve your questions. Okay? Let us solve exercise 3.4. First question. Estimate the difference of the following numbers by rounding off the numbers as directed. First A part is given 679 minus 445 to the nearest 100. So you will round off these two numbers to the nearest 100 separately, and then you will subtract estimated value. That is our question. Okay? So let us do. First you will write actual values. Okay. Here you will write estimated value. First take 679. You will round off to the nearest 100. Okay. So circle 100 place digit. Put arrow to the right digit. As it is 7, compare it with 5. And 7 is greater than 5. So we will add 1 to the circle digit. That is 6. 6 plus 1 is 7. And other two digits will become 0. That we do in estimation of numbers. That we will do in our mind now, because so many questions we have done like this. So we'll write here doing everything in our mind. Okay. First I have told you how we will do. So put circle on 100 place digit. To the nearest 100 is given. Then 100 place we will see the right digit, that is 7, which is greater than 5. So we will add 1 to circle digit. 6 plus 1 will be 7, and ones and tens place digit will turn to 0. Let's take second number. 445. Circle 100 place digit. See the right digit to it, which is 4. 4 is less than 5. So no change in circle digit. That will turn to 4 as it is, and last two digits will move to 0. Will turn to 0. Now we have estimated values. What we have to do? We have to do subtraction, because subtraction sign is given. If addition sign given, then add. Subtraction sign is given, then you will subtract. Now you will subtract estimated values. 0, 0, 7 minus 4 is 3. That is our answer. Clear? In this way we will solve our question according as direction is given. So this is our estimated answer, that is 300. First we will estimate the given numbers to the nearest 100. In A part it is given nearest 100, so we will estimate the numbers to the nearest 100. Both the numbers will be estimated, then find their difference of estimated values. Then our answer will be estimated difference, sorry. We can find actual value also, but it here is asked estimated difference, so we will do that. Let's take C part. B part is same. Nearest 100 you will round off the numbers and then you will solve. For C part we are doing 4455 minus 2550, and we have to round off to the nearest thousands. Let us solve. First we write the actual values. Here we write estimated value. First, write first number 4455 and find its estimated value, means round off to the nearest 1000. We will round off 4455 to the nearest 1000. So 1000 place digit we will circle. See the right digit by putting arrow, which is 4. 4 is less than 5, so no change in circle place, in circle digit. 1000 place digit, which is 4, and rest of the 3 digits to right of 4, they will turn to 0. So 4455 will be rounded to 4000. Let's take second number 2550. As we are rounding to the nearest 1000, so 1000 place digit we will circle, that is 2. Put arrow to the right digit, right digit to it, 5, first right digit. Okay, right digit is these two, 5 and 0 also, but first right digit that comes after 2 is 5, and 5 and 5 both are equal. We will compare the value of right digit with 5, as 5 is equal to 5. So according to rule, we will add 1 to the circle digit. Here will become 3. So we will write 3, and rest of the 3 digits at 100 place, 10s place and 1s place, they will become 0. Now we will find their difference, estimated difference. We can find here actual difference also. After finding estimated value, but it is not asked in our question. Okay, if it is asked that find actual difference and estimated difference, then you will do actual difference also and estimated difference also. As only it is asked find estimate the difference, means estimated difference you will find. Okay, now we are getting 1000 are estimated difference. Clear? Or you can write here answer also. 1000 is estimated difference. In this way we solve our question number 1. Let's take one more part of question number 1. Question is same for us and we follow both the steps. E part. 34,678 minus 29,125. We have to round off each number to the nearest 10,000. Let us solve. Take first number, that is actual value. We will find estimated value. This is actual value, which I have told you in A and C part also. You will write same while solving in your pair notebook. Nearest 10,000. So ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000. 10,000 place digit you will circle. See the right digit, put arrow to it, which is 4, which is less than 5. So no change. 3 will remain same, and rest of the 4 digits followed by 3 will become 0. So 34,678 will be estimated to 30,000, or will be rounded off to the nearest 10,000. The value will be 30,000. Let's take second number, 29,125. What will be the estimated value? Let's see. Circle 10,000 place digit, which is 2. Put arrow to the right digit, that is 9. Compare it with 5, as 9 is greater than 5. So we will add 1 to the circle digit, that will be 3. And rest of the 4 digits will become 0. Now we will find their difference. That will be their estimated difference. 3 minus 3, we will get 0. 0 minus 0, 0, 0 minus 0, 0, 0 minus 0. In the same way, we come on 3. 3 minus 3 is 0. So estimated difference is 0. In this way, we solve our question number 1. Hope you understand question number 1. You will solve other parts in your notebook. Now let us solve question number 2. Statement you will see in your book. I am telling you only answers. Okay. Question number 2, A part. Finding the difference between two numbers is called subtraction. You will see, I am writing only answers. Okay. You will see question from your book, as everybody having book. It will take a long time. That's why I am telling only answers. I will read the questions. The B part. The number from which the other number is subtracted is called munient. That is your fill in the blanks question. Now C part. The number which is subtracted is called subtrahend. D part. If we subtract 0 from any number, the difference is the number itself. E part. If we subtract 100 from any number, I have told you in subtraction fact, if we subtract 100 from any number, the digit at 100 place is decreased by 1. So what you will write in first blank, 100 place, decrease by 1. So 2 blanks are here. We will fill. Now F part. If we subtract any number from the number itself, the answer is 0. If we subtract any number from the same number, answer will be 0. All these things I have told you in subtraction fact. If you have learnt, then there will be no problem in solving question number 2. Rest of the questions we will solve tomorrow. Okay. Hope you understand today's topics, exercise 3.3 and 3.4. So that's for the day. Have a nice day. Bye bye.